Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Philips TT1138 headphones and I'm going to show you how to fix if only one earbud is working. At first, take out both of your earbuds of your case and check if there is some dirt. If there is no dirt, that's good. If there is some dirt, you have to clean it. Now, insert your headphones back and check if they are charging. If they are, check if you can connect now. If you can't connect still, you have to do a soft reset. Close the case, go to your setting of your phone, click connected devices, scroll all the way down and then connection preferences, Bluetooth, and disable Bluetooth. For some time, for example 10-15 seconds, you have to enable Bluetooth back and check if you can connect to your headphones. If you still can't connect to your headphones, you have to do a hard reset. If after hard reset you can't still connect to your headphones, you have to contact the device support. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.